Pero nag-comment si President Marcos, sir, sabi niya, nangako siya na i-veto niya daw yung SB 197.
In its current form, sabi niya, in its current form. Under debate ngayon, mag-amend pa yan. So doon pa lang sa debate, marami nang lalabas na mga concepts, issues, problema, recommendations. Sa amendments, lalabas rin yan. So, mag-iiba pa yung anyo niyan.
Pero pag tinanggal yung international standards, you agree to it, sir?
I think we have to clarify it first. Yung kailangan natin i-clarify. Kasi sa akin, by referencing, DO31 referencing that, it opens the doors. And alam naman natin, ang DO nag-i-evolve din yan. Nag-i-evolve din yan. Iba pa yung pagtuturo ng teacher. Baka yung understanding ng teacher, ay pwede pala international standards, gamitin natin yung UNICEF na 5 to 8 years old, pwede magturo ng sexuality. Nakasulat doon, nakasulat doon. So, again, the implementer, we have close to about 800,000 teachers. Baka yung kanilang pag-understanding, iba-iba.